Hello, thank you for joining us for the virtual open house of Ashburn Chase Apartments. Today we'll be reviewing several different things about the community, including an explanation of tax credit, apartment features, photos of the community, community features, how to apply, our contact information, and questions. So Ashburn Chase is Loudoun County's newest luxury affordable tax credit apartment community. We offer 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartment homes at 50 and 60% tax credit requirements. On the left, you can see a map here of the area. So we're just off Route 7 in the Belmont Chase neighborhood. We're conveniently also located near shopping, dining, hospitals, and entertainment. What does tax credit mean? So tax credit communities serve as an affordable option in areas that have a high area median income, such as Ashburn. The income requirements are based on the number of occupants in an apartment home. Below, you can see a chart of the maximum incomes for the 50 and 60 tax credit requirements, depending on the number of occupants you have in the home. To apply to Ashburn Chase, it is a $12 application fee, and the deposit is up to 1 month's rent, depending on credit. The resident will pay electric, water, sewer, internet, and cable, and the rents are as below. So our 1 bedrooms at 50% are starting at $10.55. At 60%, they're starting at $12.90. Our 2 bedrooms at 50% are starting at $12.70, and at 60%, $15.50. Our 3 bedrooms at 50% are starting at $14.65, and our 3 bedrooms at 60% are starting at $17.45. These are brand new apartment buildings. This is a brand new apartment building with several modern finishes. So we have modern gray wood cabinetry, granite countertops in both the kitchen and the bathrooms, energy efficient appliances that also include a dishwasher. The refrigerator does have an ice maker and a garbage disposal. Your common areas in the apartment home, including your kitchen, entry, and living room, do have hardwood-like vinyl plank flooring. The bedrooms are plush carpet with walk-in closets. There are ceiling fans in the bedroom. The main bedroom also has an ensuite bathroom. In all of our apartment homes, we do have in-home washer and dryers. They are typically stackable, but in some of our ADA units, they are side by side. All of our apartment homes do have tiled bathtub surrounds and ADA accessible showers in select apartment homes. If you're interested in an ADA apartment home, please make sure you let us know when you're applying. We also have linen closets, ample storage throughout the apartment, and brush nickel features both in the kitchen and bathrooms. Here you can see some pictures that are representative of the community. In the top left, we have a kitchen in typically one of our 1 bedrooms. We have several different floor plan styles, so this might not be exactly what you get, but just to kind of give you an idea. On the top right is a picture of one of our bathrooms. The bottom left is a bedroom that looks into a bathroom and one of the walk-in closets. And then on the bottom right, it's a 2 or 3 bedroom kitchens, typically a little bit larger than your 1 bedroom. The community is a controlled access building that is controlled by the FOB. We have on-site property management with 24/7 emergency maintenance, resident services provided by CLRS, a spacious clubroom with kitchenette and entertaining area, a cyber cafe with internet access and computers, a fitness center with free weights and some cardio machines, ample garage parking and surface lot parking. Our parking at Ashburn Chase is first come, first serve, but there are plenty for all of our residents, plus if you were to have some visitors. There's also some street parking if you needed that as well. There's an elevator in each building and a community bus stop with covered seating area that will be connected with Loudoun County Public Transportation. We're close to area trails, and the building will also have a package concierge. So how to apply? So you can print out or pick up an application. You'll need to gather the required documentation, which we'll go over in the next slide. Call the leasing center to schedule an appointment or scan all of your required information to the leasing team. We are asking that you call us before coming to our leasing office, which is located in the dealership next to the building because it still is under construction. We're just trying to make sure that we're following all of the CDC recommendations with COVID-19. Once all the documents have been received and accepted, it takes 1 to 2 weeks for final compliance and approval. Move-ins are currently being scheduled for mid to late October. So the documents you'll need when applying are your previous year's tax returns. If you're self-employed, we'll need the last 2 years of your 1040 forms. 6 consecutive pay stubs, the last 2 months of bank statements. If you are applying with individuals under the age of 18, you'll need a birth certificate or social security card. If you're over the age of 18, you'll need your state issued ID and social security card, but each person on your application will need to be, each person in your apartment home will need to be on your application. If you would like to contact us, our phone number is 703-713-5678. Our email we can be reached at is ashburnchase@tmamgroup.com. And our website is ashburnchaseapts.com, where you can find additional photos and more information about the apartments as well. Again, please make sure that you call to schedule us with an appointment and any questions that you may have. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to you being a resident.